everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick, and I've got an idea. Woo-hoo. I woke up this morning with what I think is a great idea for my channel. I hope you agree, because I'm actually going to need your help with it. Want to know my idea? Okay. My idea is this. Everybody knows there's like a gajillion crochet channels out there, right? I mean, there's so many channels, and every once in a while I get feeling a little bit discouraged because I'm like, oh my gosh, there's so many great channels. How can I make my channel stand out? And then eventually I just came to the conclusion that I don't need to make my channel stand out. I'm happy with my channel the way it is. But there are some really fun ideas that I have, and one of them is this. I would like to hear from you about all of your favorite channels. And once a month, I'm going to ask you for some nominations for your favorite, say, tutorial channel, or maybe your favorite crochet channel for vlogs, or maybe your favorite channel for live streams. Any of these types of categories, and I'm going to have at least 12 of them because I want to do this for at least a year. And so I'm going to ask you for those nominations, and you're going to give me as many as you want. So if you've got 5 favorite tutorial channels, give me all of them. I want to know them all. I want to know the little ones. I want to know the big ones. I'm going to take all of these different channels, and I'm going to break them down into categories, and I'm going to let you vote in a poll to find out who you like the best. And that's going to be the Viewer's Choice Award. It's going to be the Whippy Chick Viewer's Choice Awards. And I'm super excited about it. So here's what I need from you today. I need you to comment below and let me know who your favorite channels are for tutorials. I'm going to start with tutorials because there's so many of them out there. And I want to know all of your favorite tutorials. If you have 6 or 7 that you go to for tutorials, I want to know them all. I want to know the big ones. I want to know the little ones. I want to know the silly ones. I want to know the serious ones. I want to know them all. And then I'm going to break them down into different categories and let you guys vote in a poll. I probably already said that. I probably said that more than once, but I'm just so excited. So will you help me out? Are you in? I hope so. I hope so. I really do. So let's give this a try. We'll start with one thing at a time, and we're just going to kind of progress from there. So the first thing first, you leave your comments, and then from there, I'll give you directions in the next video. Okay. All right, everybody. I'm so excited. I hope to see you again really, really soon. I would show you the things I've been working on, but it's really not very exciting. It's just a bag of granny squares. I'm in the process of waiting for a shipment from Premier so that I can get started on my Jaws blanket. So I'm just doing scraps. Oh well, it's kind of freed up my brain so that I can think about some YouTube stuff, right? Okay, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. I hope to see you real soon. And don't forget to comment. I hope to see lots and lots of comments so that I can do some exploring of these other channels. Take care, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye.